Behind every moment of joy, there is a story of choices, of responsibility, and of actions that create meaningful impacts. It begins with the choices we make for the environment around us, working to reduce the impact of our footprint, using resources with care, and helping build a more resilient future. Behind many of our key ingredients is a commitment to responsible sourcing, working alongside farmers and communities, supporting strong supply chains, and supporting lasting value over time. Behind each product is a commitment to quality, transparency, and informed choices, helping people enjoy our products as part of everyday moments. Behind every step forward are the people who make it possible, across our own workplaces, across our value chain, and through programs, partnerships, and the communities we work with. Together, these stories reveal what sits behind every moment of joy, from targeted actions to meaningful impacts. Discover the Ferrero Sustainability Report 2025.